Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson SV14. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson SV14 trigger isn't working properly, you might find that the vacuum doesn't start or stops intermittently during use. This issue often arises due to wear and tear on the trigger mechanism, which can lead to frustrating interruptions while cleaning. If not addressed promptly, it could lead to further damage or even complete failure of the device. For this repair, you will need a small Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a replacement trigger mechanism, and some tweezers. First, ensure your Dyson SV14 is unplugged and turned off. To safely open the device, locate the screws on the handle and use your Phillips screwdriver to remove them. Carefully pull apart the handle, taking care not to damage any clips. Once opened, you can identify the trigger mechanism. It is usually located at the top of the handle, connected with small clips. Gently pry it out with your flathead screwdriver, being cautious not to apply too much force as this could break the surrounding plastic. Once the old trigger is removed, take your replacement trigger and align it correctly with the connector. Press it into place until you hear a click, indicating it is secure. Be mindful of the small screws you removed earlier, make sure to replace them with an appropriate amount of force to avoid stripping the holes. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After securing the screws, carefully reassemble the handle by aligning it and pressing it back together until it clicks into place. Finally, plug in your Dyson SV14 and test the trigger to ensure it functions correctly. If it activates smoothly, your repair is successful. To prevent this issue from recurring, make sure to clean your Dyson regularly, avoiding any debris that could jam the trigger. Additionally, handle the trigger gently and avoid applying excessive force when using your vacuum. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.